Hey, hello guys, today I am playing something called the Revolver Only Challenge. My friend challenged me to this challenge, which is like I can only use revolver to damage people. And I genuinely don't use a lot of revolver. Like, this is like going to be an interesting challenge. Oh, okay, I swear. That was suspicious. Bro, I can tell where the suspicious is. 40. Can I sign 40? Come here. Oh, I missed everything, bro. I was so close. Nice, 30. Like, I don't know what is this guy doing. Oh, let's go! Come on, bro. This is intense. Nah, bro. Wait. I want to ask, can I use, can I use, let's go, bro. Like, I genuinely forgot about the trap. 70. I'm getting like 2 taps, bro. He's using burst. Come on. This that's a challenge, bro. I rage with this guy so much that he has to pull out the RPG. This is so funny, bro. Bro, let's go there. I will fall for it again. No, I am not going to go on that ramp, bro. 30? I did a bit less than him. Guys, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I think I hit him like, bro, to be honest. He did actually. Fine, it's another method. Come on, let's go. I'm just wanna go. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh, wait, I swear he placed it. Oh, let's see already. Oh, I missed it by so much. I missed. Oh, I missed everything again. What the? Yo, this is bad. I got 60 of him. He's probably at 90 on there.